Hello everyone, welcome. Today topic is flight delay prediction using machine learning. Before going to start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more important and interesting projects. Here we have developed our project file as IPython notebook. So this is our project, flight delay prediction using machine learning. So in this cell we have imported our libraries. So in this cell we have loaded our file. So in this input folder we have our file flights.csv. So data pre-processing and analyzing. So this is the our files first 5 rows. Using header function we can print our first 5 rows. So here we check the data type of year, month, day, because we are going to work with the times related functions. So year integer 64, month integer 64, day integer 64. Okay. So here we count the columns values. So in the year column there are 2024 values like this. So here we print the head of 15 rows. So 0 to 14. So here we check the all the column values data types. So here we create one function to check the null values. So in this we apply all the, actually we created one function for some works. So here we apply that special function to all the columns. So here null analysis. So here we check the not null of means it will display the without null values. So here we fill the in the null value places we place the zeros using fill NA of 0. So actually cancellation reason A, B, C as something. So A has 32, B has 42, and then B has 68 like this. So total counting of B 111, A 15, C 2. Here we want only integer values. So we change the alphabetic values into numerical values. So here drop NA axis is equal to 0 means it will drop the all the null values. It will delete the all the null values. Exact meaning. So here we change the our integer values to float values because models always handle the float values very easily. So these are the IATA code and airline names. Here we saved this as an airlines.csv file. Here we have imported this. So these are the value counts. So DL has 252, UA United Array I think 242 values, means 242 times presented. So this tail values, tail of function will display the last 5 rows. And then same thing we also drop the null values in the airline X and IATA code. So axis is equal to 1 means columns. So here we change the give the rename for our comfortability. So after the name changing, so this is the first 5 rows, because we have used a header function. So here we have one column called arrival delay. So in it's an important one column. So in that column we separate the whole values, which means greater than zeros. So this is the infos. So here again one time we check the any null values presented in the columns. So see, in the year, a month column, day of week column, there is no null values. So null analysis. So this is the shape of our current data, 1894 rows and 32 columns. So this is a train test splitter function. It will separate the our values to x train and x test, y train and y test. So here by using this function we separated 1325 rows and 17 columns to x train and 1325 and 1 rows to x test. So random forest our model. So here we have we import using x train and y train. So this is the after fitting our model. This is after the predictions. So mean absolute error values, mean squared error, root mean squared errors. So data visualization using our predicted values. So data visualization using another one plots. So here see, compare with actually black is our actual values, red is our predicted value. So compared with our past data, our predicted data has let flight delays. Thank you.